Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to identify plants and flowers using iPhone camera. First, open Photos app or you can open camera. You can choose any photos from your photo gallery or you can capture image using your iPhone camera. Now open the image with a clearly defined subject such as a flower or animal. Tap on the info icon at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the little icon in the center of the photo to bring up the lookup search results. Scroll and find more results. Here you will find all the details of your photo subject. So these are the steps to identify plants and flowers using your iPhone camera. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.